Starting a warehouse fulfillment operation from scratch can feel overwhelming, but with the right plan, it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to go from zero to in-house fulfillment in your own warehouse, so you can take control, scale, and protect your margins. This is for two groups of operations. If you're transitioning away from a 3PL and this is your first real warehouse, or if you're already shipping from a garage, basement, storage unit, trust me, we've got a lot of operations that have been there. Before you buy racks, printers, scanners, run every decision through 4 pillars: flow, accessibility, capacity, and traceability. Flow meaning you have a repeatable operation from end to end. Receiving is consistent. Put away follows rules. Picking and pack can happen the same way every time. Returns follow a defined workflow, and overstock has a clear home and replenishment path. Our second pillar, accessibility, which means your fastest movers are the easiest to reach. Aisles support your carts and equipment, and your packing and shipping areas are positioned to reduce walking and congestion. It also means the space stays safe and navigable to overflow does not turn into daily obstacles. Third, we have capacity, which means you're not just solving for today. You plan storage density, replenishment, and space for peak season, so you do not have to redesign in 6 to 12 months. Our last pillar is traceability, meaning your system can prove where inventory is and what happened to it. Locations are labeled, items are barcoded, receiving is disciplined, and scans are not memory, they're the source of truth. Here are 3 rules that keep this scalable. First, plan for 2 to 3 times your current volume from day one. Second, invest in technology and data accuracy so your team is not relying on memory. Third, document SOPs early so the operation runs the same way no matter who's on the shift. Now, before we talk layout or racks, we have to talk about the catalog, because a clean catalog makes all of this possible. If your SKUs are duplicated, inconsistent, missing barcodes, your warehouse will feel messy no matter how good the layout is. Every sellable item needs a unique SKU. That usually means 1 SKU per style, color, size combination. Your SKU structure does not have to be fancy, but it has to be consistent. At a minimum, your item data should include SKU, product name, variant attributes like color and size, barcode, unit of measure, and ideally, weight and dimensions for shipping. If you sell bundles or kits, those definitions need to be clean too, so receiving and picking stay accurate. Think of it this way: your warehouse team can only be as accurate as the data you give them. Clean SKUs turn fulfillment into a process. Bad data turns it into guesswork. Once your catalog is clean, you can move into the fun part like layout design. Your warehouse is a factory. Products should move in one direction with as little backtracking as possible. Start by assessing the space. What square footage are we working with? What's the ceiling height? Do we have a dock? Do we have door access? Where's the power? Where's the equipment going to live? No constraints like pillars, fire exits, sprinkler, clearance, and any areas you cannot block. Then map your zones. At minimum, you need receiving, storage, picking, packing, shipping, and returns. If you want to add a few additional zones, they can make a big difference, like quarantine, forward pick, overstock, maybe even a small photo area. Here's a simple zone map. Receiving and quarantine near inbound, that is where cartons and pallets land, where you count and inspect, and where anything unverified or damaged sits until it is resolved. Storage split into forward pick and overstock. Forward pick is where your fastest movers live. Overstock is reserve inventory stored more densely. Packing, shipping, and outbound. Staging near the outbound door, organized by carrier and pickup if you can. And returns with a dedicated home from day one, so returns do not get mixed into receiving or active stock before inspection. It can cause issues if you have returns coming in and it's getting mixed up into your active inventory. A fast way to validate your layout is to simulate one order. Start at receiving, walk to where it's going to be stored, walk the pick path, walk to packing, then shipping. If you don't like it now, you're not going to like it later. Get it fixed before you install racks. Next is storage and locations. You usually need a mix: shelving, bins, racks. Where are we going to put inbound pallets? Set your pick zone up intentionally. Keep it stocked, keep it organized, keep it close to packing. But your fastest movers and common size curves is the best locations. And replenish forward pick from overstock on a schedule Don't do it randomly. Then label everything. Labeling is the nervous system of the warehouse. Use a clear naming schema like aisle, section, shelf, bin. Print durable, scannable labels. Use large aisle markers, and if you can, color code zones so training and navigation are faster. Now, it's time to build the core workflows. Receiving should be standardized. Verify counts, inspect the quality, update inventory, and then assign locations and put it away. Every single time, repeatable. Use a quarantine zone for anything damaged, unverified, or missing information. That prevents bad inventory from contaminating active stock. Put away needs rules too. Fast movers go to their picking area immediately. Bulk goes to overstock. Then picking and packing. Use carts and totes to keep work organized. And have a fulfillment strategy in place. Batch picking can be a game changer for organizations. Your packing stations need to be complete. A good checklist. Do they have tables, scales, tape mailers, boxes, printers? Optimize ergonomics so packers are not bending over and walking for every order. They'll thank you later. Shipping is where efficiency lowers costs and improves customer experience. Negotiate carrier rates and secure pickup schedules. Set packaging standards and box size presets. Automate carrier selection in your system so the team is not making the same decisions manually all day. Returns also need a defined workflow from day one. Returns come in, they get inspected, they follow one of three paths. They either get restocked, refurbished, or written off. The key is that returns do not re-enter active stock until they're verified. Now technology. Implement a WMS like SKU Labs that supports location tracking, scanning, receiving, picking, packing, returns. Use barcode scanners and label printers. Use integrated shipping software. Now, SOPs and quality. Write SOPs for all of the processes: receiving, put away, replenishment, picking, packing, returns, cycle counts. Train your team on standardized steps and keep them updated as you refine. Add quality checks before orders leave, like scan verification at pack, confirming quantities and shipping method. Implement cycle counting daily or weekly and resolve discrepancies quickly. Inventory accuracy is not a once-a-year project. Don't forget security and safety. Use cameras, access control, alarms, proper insurance. Make sure you are compliant with fire safety, pest control, and workplace requirements. That's a lot to go through, but if you hammer the little details now, you save yourself an expensive learning experience later. And make sure to always run everything through the 4 pillars: flow, accessibility, capacity, traceability. Flow keeps the operation repeatable. Accessibility keeps your team fast. Capacity keeps you from outgrowing the setup you just paid thousands for. Traceability keeps inventory accurate, and it keeps it as a source of truth for you without having to use your memory. This is how you build a warehouse that scales without chaos. And this is what we do every day. If you need a helping hand, reach out to our team. We are warehouse experts. We have the experience to assist you. While scary at first, crafting your warehouse operation from scratch gives you the opportunity to scale and share your brand across the globe.